It does make you proud. It makes you proud to be at the forefront of that new product development. Hopefully we can continue making those innovative changes, and that will be a part of that. I first applied for the graduate programme in 2010. I was looking for a job after university, what would bring me on and train me, and I seen the graduate programme on a recruitment website. Initially I hadn't heard of SMD. I had a look at the website, I had seen the equipment and I found it interesting, and then I came for a visit and an interview and a walk around the factory, and after that it kind of reaffirmed my decision that I really wanted to be a part of working on that kind of equipment. And then the second time, when I came back to SMD, I already knew it was a great place to work, and the colleagues were collaborative and supportive. It was an easy decision. I probably value the most the opportunity to travel. You get to see places you wouldn't normally see. When you do work away, it is usually 90% work, but you might get a day either side of travel where you get to explore. To be able to do that through work is great. My most memorable experience was a trip to Zhuzhou, China. We went out there to factory acceptance test a part that was designed for us out there, a high voltage power distribution unit. We were able to have direct contact with the team that designed it and make the changes necessary for our application. Also on the evenings and on the weekends we had time ourselves, so we could do some exploring of the city and the local area. And it was a completely different culture, and it was a great experience. The most challenging thing about the role would be having to respond to issues that come up. All goodwill in the world, there's always problems that occur, and they're usually high priority and they need to be solved quickly. It can be a challenge to meet the demands of those fast changing environments. It's quite a supportive environment to bring you on as an engineer, so having support to develop personally and professional development to push for chartership is quite rewarding, and being part of that collaborative environment, being able to have input and then having constructive feedback from other people is quite rewarding. My proudest achievement would probably be the first project that I worked on. I got the job of designing the control console for 3 different machines, and they were monitor walls with 15 monitors with 2 racks either side, and then 2 active chairs with all the controls built into the chairs. And then when we built the chairs and the racks and the control console up, we mocked it up in the bottom of the factory and had all 3 systems and stacked up together, and it looked great. And it was great just to see the work that you'd put in over the last 6 months come together, and that was the first contract I worked on. I would have a look at the website and have a look at the YouTube videos, and if you find the equipment and the application that's used interesting, it's a good sign that you'll enjoy the job here at SMD. It really is a career, just a job here to bring you on to develop you as an engineer and push you to better yourself and continue your personal development.